Hydrotherapy has the same health benefit as walking a mile. Doctors actually prescribe hydrotherapy to their patients 3 times a week. The most important therapeutic benefit of the tub, I would say, would be the hydrotherapy. It is targeted jets. It's more evasive. You can control the pressure of the jet. The hydrotherapy is strategically placed in the tub by doctors that have designed these tubs. Hydrotherapy also has great benefits for people that have neuropathy. A lot of times, to help make that sensation feel better is increasing the blood flow in the body. When you use the hydrotherapy, it does increase the blood flow in the body, which generates more oxygen in the body. And so you're getting more oxygen and blood flow to the lower extremities of your body, which is going to give you some comfort there. It also helps with any type of arthritic issues like RA, osteoarthritis. It's going to help increase the blood flow and the oxygen to your joints and give you some comfort. And the hydrotherapy also is great for exfoliating dead skin. A lot of times when we're on medications, it blocks our pores. So the hydrotherapy is great for exfoliating the dead skin so you can regenerate new cells, so your skin is much softer feeling. Better circulation, less pain, and no more tub stress. EZProExpress.com is your next step.